Stir fry time. We are breaking in our new wok tonight. That wok is a nice addition to our kitchen, and I found room for it inside the van.
I think we overfilled the wok when we cooked though.
We definitely overfilled. I admit that's a problem I have. I overstuff, overfill. Yeah, I think next time we'll have to do it in, like we'll cook the meat, the protein first, and then the noodles, and then all the veggies, and then
More
kind of
sauce.
assemble. Yeah, we need probably 4 times the amount of sauce I need. It just ended up being a lot of vegetables.
It was good though.
So good, but one thing I was lacking was a good utensil to use in the wok.
I fixed that.
They fixed that. Yeah, so talk about this. What is this, babe?
That's mesquite from Arizona. I picked up a really green log and I carved green wood, but it can't be too green when it's real hardwood like that. Like, so if I have a log, like I had this log of mesquite, I'll let it, you know, dry a little bit for like 4 or 6 weeks, it depends.
Yeah.
And then it's still green, but the fibers basically loosen up and it's easier to carve. So I carved this from an Arizona log here in Florida, and this is the sapwood, and this is the heartwood, and the heartwood is ridiculously hard. It is. I've carved mesquite before, but this particular branch was just rock hard. Even the normal mesquite is like 2.5 times harder than oak. It's really hard stuff. But I thought I'd, you know, make a nice little wok spoon, and I'm gonna make her an entire set of all the van spoons we have, all out of mesquite, because I have 2 logs. So I can get 2 spoons out of each log this big, so it'll be matching spoons. So that's what I'm gonna do. Anyway, we digress. Wok.
I'm spoiled with the spoons. Overall, wok's definitely a success and a nice addition to our kitchen arsenal.
Send us your wok recipe, sauces, that sort of stuff. I'd love to.
Oh yeah.
I've never had a wok before.
Yeah, this is all new to us, but delicious. Pretty excited to keep using it. But stay tuned for the next video, because we got the new Coleman oven because our old one was falling apart. We put the old one to use before we bid it farewell, so stay tuned to see how we use the old Coleman camp oven.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
The non-traditional way.
Yeah, wouldn't be good to use again for anything else, but
no.
we said goodbye to the old camp oven. It served us well for 4.5 years.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. All right, stay tuned for that. We'll catch you over there.
carry on.
Carry on.